Periodic table: hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, propose, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. H stands for hydrogen, He stands for helium, Li stands for lithium, Be stands for beryllium, B stands for boron, C stands for carbon, N stands for nitrogen, O stands for oxygen, F stands for chlorine, and E stands for neon. Na is sodium, Mg is magnesium, Al is aluminium, Si is cyclone, P is for propose, S is for sulfur, Cl is chlorine, Ar is argon, potassium is K, calcium is Ca. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, cyclone, propose, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. H, He, Li, Be, Bc, No, F, Ne, Na, Mg, Al, Si, Ps, Cl, Ar, K, Ca. H is hydrogen. He is helium. Li is lithium. Be is beryllium. B is for boron. C is for carbon. N is for nitrogen. O is for oxygen. F is for fluorine. Ne is for neon. Na is for sodium. Magnesium is for Mg. Al is aluminium. Si is for cyclone. P is for propose. S is for sulfur. Ca is for chlorine. Ar is for argon. K is for potassium. Ca is for calcium.